Hello everyone, special offer on TOEFL iBT. This for helping my students save $25. It's about more, maybe 60% of the fee of the test, of the TOEFL test. So I received this email from Middle East. This email, this education.usa.state.gov. I think this is related to the embassy of USA in Cairo, but this is coming from Middle East in Alexandria. Okay, you can call them. So this phone number, and I will put the Facebook account and LinkedIn account and the WhatsApp group in this in the description. You can join this and continue to get more offers. Though this is the offer. You have this test is available until the end of 2026. Okay, on the TOEFL iBT test in 2026, your students can save 25 USD. But how to do this? How to get this offer? By this code. And this code is valid until October 2026. This is a great opportunity for students who are planning for catching scholarships in abroad, especially in USA and the countries speaking English. UK, USA, many countries speak English. South Africa. So to have a certificate from TOEFL, this will help you. This is very good offer for grade 11. They can prepare during the vacancy, middle vacancy between the two terms, and they can also train on it and get this offer or this chance or this grant or this scholarship in TOEFL in the summer holiday. So I encourage you to go through. This is the website for them. This one, I think this is the website. There is also materials you can prepare from this. You can sign up for here for guide, for a planner, how to plan for go through the TOEFL, how there is about 40-minute sample test. You can do this. There are many materials that you will find in this website. This is etc.org. Mean there's not commercial. It helping you, and if you have any question, ask me about scholarships, about programming, about problem solving in maintaining electric and electronic devices and the stock market in Egypt. I can help you. Thanks for you. With you, engineer Osama Ghandour and educator Osama Ghandour. Thanks.